Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about AutoCAD command and shortcut list. It can be used for making simple lines in the drawing. It is the command used for making a circle in AutoCAD. This command can be used to make a polyline in your drawing. This command will make a rectangle in AutoCAD. This command can be used to make a polygon with minimum 3 sides and a maximum of 1024 sides. Arc, as the name suggests, this command can be used to make an arc in AutoCAD. Ellipse, as the name suggests, this command can be used to make an ellipse with the major and minor axis. This command can be used to make a region geometry in AutoCAD. This command is used to copy object S in AutoCAD. Array, using this command you can make rectangular, polar or path array. This command is used for trimming a geometry. This command is used to change the scale of an object. Using this command you can open options window which contains most of the settings of AutoCAD. This command is used for creating a block. The properties of the block can be defined using the block definition window. This command can be used to insert an existing block or a drawing as a block in AutoCAD. Using this command you can open text style window which controls properties of the default AutoCAD text style. This command can be used to explode objects like polyline to simple lines, an array, or a block to a simple geometry, etc. This command can be used to add rounded corners to the sharp edges of the geometry. These round corners are also called fillets. This command can be used to add slant edges to the sharp corners. These slant edges are also called chamfers. This command can be used to open layer properties, manage palette, which is a tool for creating and managing layers in a drawing. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.